Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I was looking at some how to raise bananas and all that stuff, and I came to across that we should always take the bottom parts off, so the tree doesn't have too much stress. I've been worried about it because you see how in the night, in the afternoon, they look all nice and uppity up, but the heat. This is how they get to preserve heat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little stress out of it by cutting their, how you call it? Let's see if I could do it. Yes, I did it. Okay, so this is gonna be cut up, and I'll be right back. You see that water? They say that this water that it throws out. I don't know if you could see because it's so sunny. That water it throws out the nutrients and doesn't let it go to where it's supposed to go, to the top right here where the banana is going to grow. So I'm going to take this out and then I'll be right back. Okay people, I did a dumb mistake. I hold the camera through the other side and the wrong side, and all it came out was my finger covering everything up. Then it went off, and I was wondering why it was going off. So what happened was that it wasn't, I guess they figured it and they shut off. So anyway, but at least I put the compost already here. I'm going to leave it. You could see there's a lot of figs still, but that doesn't matter, And I'm also going to add, let me see if I can open it. Wait, hold on. Okay, I'm also going to add, I don't have much, but I'm going to add a few of these. And that should be pretty good. I have to stretch it out until I get some money so I could buy some. So, this is what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to put regular dirt on top of it, to keep it as moist as possible. So, that's all for now. God bless you all. Until next time. Bye.